Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I picked up from Zara recently. Now, because I just picked them up a couple of days ago, I'm very sure that they are available in the store. And I got this from the store in Malad, which is at the Infinity 2 Mall. So you can go there and check them out. And I'm also going to try and find everything online and link them down below in the description box for you guys. But I only picked up a couple of things, but I'm so happy with everything that I picked up. They all look amazing. These are like very statement pieces that I know that I'm going to wear for a really long time, and I really love Zara basics. I love their fit on me. Most of my favorite jeans are from Zara. I really like the way it fits on my body. I know I can shop Zara online now, but I hate shopping online for some reason. I can never order online, and the first pant that I bought, which is this blue trouser, I have been eyeing this ever since I saw this on this online store, and I knew that it would fit me, but I just needed to like touch it and feel it for some reason and then buy it. It's just a thing in my head, and which is a good thing. It really prevents me from shopping a lot online, and just helps me save a lot of money. The only place that I shop online is Shein, which is another very tempting site, and I try not to go there. But yeah, this is everything that I bought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Ou alors je pars en mer, je vais à la pêche. Le soir, j'ai affaire à une bande de rigolos qui est là avec laquelle je joue au boule. On bouffe, on boit, on joue au cartes. Voilà.
T'as des contractions, toi, dessus.
Pablo didn't know it then.
So that's it for the haul. It's very short, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which one was your favorite piece and why in the comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.